Hi guys, it's Monday, that means it's a spelling test on our new skill. So we are doing skill 4. Skill 4 is working on our digraphs and then also um, working on that voiced and unvoiced TH digraph. TH is a digraph just like WH, SH, PH, CH, but TH has that voiced or unvoiced mark in it as well. So we're doing a pretest on skill 4, which is digraphs. So you'll write skill 4 on your sheet. You'll also write your name on your sheet. And then you'll put today's date, whatever day today is, you'll put it there. Okay, so right here on number 1 through 5, you'll write the word, you'll mark it, and then we don't have any prefixes or suffixes yet, so you can just X out this column, we don't need it. If you want to make corrections over here, you can to your original word, you don't have to, and then we'll do one dictation sentence down here. Okay, so your first word that I need you to write is cloth. The table was covered with a cloth. Cloth. Make sure you do the word and the markings. Number 2 is wish. What do you wish for? Wish. Remember, you can always pause the video, you can back up the video, you can watch it again. Number 3 is whim. He read the book on a whim. Whim. Number 4 is than. She has more pets than I do. Than. Number 5 is chin. She has a dimple on her chin. Chin. Make sure that you've spelled all those words correctly and that you've marked them the way that you want to mark them. And hit pause when you're ready, or hit pause until you're ready for the sentence. Then when you're ready for the sentence, hit play and I'll read it to you. A lot of you on your spelling test last week missed some words, so make sure that you listen to the sentence carefully and that even after you write the sentence, you back it up and read the sentence with me reading it on the screen to make sure you haven't missed any words. So I would back it up after you're done and just listen to me read it one more time and make sure that's what you wrote. Okay, here's the sentence. When will Phil and Shad, when will Phil and Shad be chums? Listen closely. When will Phil and Shad be chums? Listen one more time. When will Phil and Shad be chums? Okay, so now that you've got that written down, back it up, make sure that you've got all the words on there, and then check your punctuation, because a lot of you got one of the punctuations wrong last week too, so check that closely. Good luck on your pretest.